So let's talk about our hero product. Our hero product is the Overnight Repair Serum. So the Overnight Repair Serum consists out of 11 different oils. Some of those oils are our key ingredient, for instance, the argan elixir. You can also find sunflower oil, macadamia oil, rosemary leaf oil, and one very important one, the quinoa seed oil. The quinoa seed oil consists out of two very important amino acids, being arginine and cysteine. Arginine is responsible for moisture and cysteine for strength. If we then combine those amino acids with the 17 amino acids that we also can find in our silk protein, we have the 19 the same amino acid that we can find in hair. So we can truly reconstruct hair deeply from within. It can be used as an overnight treatment. It enhances, re-strengthens and rebuilds hair deeply from within. It can also be used as a pre-styling treatment. It protects the hair from free radicals, such as UV rays, air pollution, and it protects the hair from thermal styling. So the oils also contain a lot of vitamins, and the vitamins, such as the vitamin E and the vitamin B, can help you with a healthy scalp environment. Next to that, can also help you to soothe skin irritation. So clients who have dry, flaky scalp can use it as a scalp treatment. Apply a few drops all over the scalp, massage it in and style as desired. So you can see that our Overnight Repair Serum is a truly unique product and we call it our hero product.